Welcome to our channel. Today, we have some exciting news for you, the ultimate ways to make money online. Are you ready to start earning? Let's dive right in. First up, online surveys. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions. By simply sharing your thoughts, you can earn some extra cash. It's a quick and easy way to make money, so why not give it a try? Next, we have freelance work. If you have a skill that you're passionate about, whether it's writing, designing, or coding, you can offer your services online. You'll be amazed at how many opportunities await you. Have you considered starting your own blog or YouTube channel? Creating engaging content can attract a large following. As your audience grows, you can monetize your platform through advertisements, sponsorships, and even selling your own products. Do you have a knack for teaching? Online tutoring is in high demand. Share your expertise in subjects like math, science, or language and help others while earning money from the comfort of your home. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale or referral, you can make a substantial income. Find products you love and believe in, and share them with your audience. Last but not least, e-commerce. With platforms like Shopify, you can start your own online store and sell products worldwide. Find a niche that interests you and start making money by fulfilling people's needs. These are just a few examples of the many ways to make money online. The possibilities are endless, and all you need is a computer and an internet connection. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Let's embark on this journey together and start earning money online. Good luck!